today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your iCloud backup. So it's pretty simple. First you want to open your setting, and at the top it's going to show you your iPhone's name. So my iPhone name is Jake Knowledge, yours is going to be different, so click on whatever is being displayed in your case. And once you're over here, you can see this option called iCloud. So I'm going to click on iCloud and it's going to take me over here. Now over here I can see this option called iCloud Backup. So I will click on iCloud Backup, and once I'm over here at the bottom it shows me this iPhone. So I'm going to click on this iPhone. Once you click on it, you can see this option called delete and turn off backup. You can click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to show you this. Now if you click on turn off, then every single thing that is being backed up on your iCloud is going to be totally wiped. When I say totally, nothing is going to be left. Everything will be wiped out and you cannot recover it ever again, because once it's deleted, it's gone forever. Before doing this action, make sure to think, because if I click on this delete and turn off backup and click on turn off, every single data that is being stored, whether it's my contact, my photos, everything which is stored on my iCloud will be deleted. So that's how you guys can delete your iCloud backup. And if you want to delete the individual backup, let's say I just want to delete the Chrome backup, then I can just turn the slider off for Chrome and click on turn off. If I do that, my Chrome's backup will only be deleted and all the other backup will still be there. So if you just want to delete the individual backup, you can do that. But if you want to delete entirely, you need to click on delete and turn off backup. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye.